How to callus a plumeria cutting.
Good morning everyone. My name is Femi Nieva and I'm here to demonstrate to you how to prepare your cuttings, plumeria cuttings. This is the cutting. I have already prepared it and cut it and already put the alcohol to clean it up, the wound. But before you do anything on your plumeria, on your cuttings, this is how you're gonna do it. This is why I'm going to demonstrate to you as a beginner of plumeria to prepare your cuttings the right way. You need to cut all the leaves first, one by one, like about one half of the leaves, like this. Oh, like this. Oh, here. Remove. There, and then you need to do this so that the roots will grow faster. They don't need the leaves for you to root them or bag root them. So you have to prepare it this way to callus it for like 2 weeks, and then after that you can I will show you how to do to seal your cutting. So this is what I'm doing right now, removing all the leaves. Okay, as you can see, there's still a flower on the cutting. You need to remove the flowers too for them to so that the roots will grow faster, because it will take a lot of energy for the plant to root if you let the flowers stay on the stalk. So this is the inflorescence. This is celadine, a yellow one. It's very, very fragrant, and it has two inflorescence or flower stalk right there. But right now I don't want to cut it for now, because I'm just gonna show you this is how you prepare your cuttings. Clean it up with alcohol here. As I have already told you, there's still some little bit of sap coming out. Okay, and then what I usually do is we can wrap this one with saran wrap, or you can put a rooting compound. But since it's October and it's hard for us to root it, so what we do is we just have to seal it with the tree seal, this one. So we seal at the end of the cuttings. There are many ways of doing it. I also do the saran wrap. I put a rooting compound and then wrap it with the saran wrap. But today I'm just gonna teach you how to do it. You can store your cuttings for the whole winter. This one, when it's ready, it will callus, and you can see that the roots would be coming out soon after the winter. Like now it's October, November, December, January. Hopefully January we already have fully callus, and you can plant this in the ground, or you can plant it on the pot. Thank you for watching. I'll be teaching you next time. This is only the beginning of my video, and I want to show for the new beginners how we propagate plumeria through cuttings. Thank you, and God bless.